I bought the car.
Your mom's?
Yeah.
When?
Hey guys, update. I'm with the one and only Belle. I'm like
Hello.
in the middle of everything right now.
Was it good that you already started?
Yeah, so here's the mirror so far. My room is a mess. And then all this is stuff from my mom's house that I'm gonna like put up on this wall. Oh yeah, and then my vision board. I really want to hang it up somewhere. This is the vision board. Okay guys, so we did actually just get into a little pickle. So basically we put this piece of wood backwards. No hole like right here, so we can't even put the screw in. Honestly, I don't think anything's gonna even happen. So I'm just gonna leave it on because I have a question. What? This bed is pure, guys. Okay, so honestly, I was thinking about like moving my bed this way, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do with everything over here, but I definitely want to move the vanity to that wall, and then I'm gonna have to like move this dresser somewhere else. Wait, see how cute these knobs are. Look how cute. Okay guys, don't mind how I look, but I am going to finish the vanity tonight. And then after I'm done with that, I'm going to tidy up this room and get rid of everything that I don't need. And then I'm going to go shopping and get all the things I do need. And I had gotten this stuff from my mom's house, so I'm going to use that stuff for here too.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, drop this. This doesn't work. Shout out to my sister for helping me move it, but now it's time to move the vanity right here. Okay guys, don't mind how I look. It's been a long day, but I'm gonna give a little haul because I just spent a butt ton of money and half of it's for my room, and I'm still going shopping on Friday. Got a mirror, big ass mirror. Start at what I got from Target. I got this cool comforter, super cute. So I needed some lash glue, and then I just got this cute little bath sponge. And I got my favorite scent in the world. Oh my gosh, guys, every time I smell this, like, it's making me cry right now. Every time I smell this, it just smells so freaking heavenly. And then I got the Monday dry shampoo. My holy grail, if you know you don't really have time to wash your hair, but your hair's a little greasy. Then I went to Ulta. I got the Odell, and then I just got my ColourPop foundation. Then I went to TJ Maxx, not expecting to buy a bunch of stuff. So I got these brushes, they're so cute. And then I got these makeup sponges. Then I got this really yummy almond vanilla body butter. And then I got some almond vanilla shea butter. Oh my gosh, guys. And then I got some vitamin C serum. I got this little makeup holder. It's so cute. I think it's gonna look so cute with my vanity. And I got this bronze wheel. That's all for my haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and let's get back to the video. Okay, I haven't recorded the last couple of days because it's been super busy, but I'm gonna be showing you guys what I did with my clothes, my vanity, and my closet. Hi guys, it is officially the last night that I'm gonna be doing this room. I'm finishing everything up. I mostly just have to decorate and hang everything up and then clean up all of the mess. Oh, also, we are going to switch this bed around and add the comforter on that. It's currently 8:30, so we are going to have to finish this before 12 a.m. I do have school tomorrow, but I have to get this done before Hawaii. Let's go.